So what is your responsibility for your intermediaries? Well, the concept is that you cannot self-blind. If you are aware of facts that would lead a reasonable, prudent person to investigate further, you have to investigate further and determine. And in July of 2009, a guy named Burke was convicted in the Southern District of New York, largely because under a theory by DOJ that in dealing with oil, it was the privatization of the oil companies in Kazakhstan. He had failed to investigate further a guy named Kozheny, who's a Czech now living in the Cayman Islands, which has so far refused to extradite him to the United States to face his justice in this part. But it was the failure to investigate that this guy's reputation as corrupt should have led someone not to deal with him. That's essentially the DOJ theory, and we'll see whether the Second Circuit upholds it. Yes, they're severe. Jail time, the fines, straightforward for bribery is $100,000, but it can be up to $5 million, again, under the books and records provisions. And for companies, it's $2 million is the standard, but there are alternative sentencing provisions that make it twice the pecuniary gain or 3 times the pecuniary gain. So there's a lot of other ways to enhance those, as you can see from the $1 billion plus for Siemens, the $500 million or so for BAE.